He said it sounded really good. He's almost positive it's a coin of some sort. Or a can.
No, it's small sounding.
Really?
Yeah. A small can.
It's a small can, yeah.
Is it over here or over here?
Oh, you got something?
Silver.
Oh, I got a silver too! Ah, it's a Roosevelt!
Oh my God, it's a Roosevelt!
All right, guys, welcome to the channel. We are the PA Relic Hunters. You got me right today. We also have Dave out here, right over there. We also have two guests with us today, James and Tyler from the Copper Poppers. If you haven't checked out their channel, please check it out. I have an awesome find right off the bat. I just got here. To me, it was shock. Check this out, it's crazy. So let me flip you around. All right, so right here in this hole, I had a can, or it was 22, 23 signal. That's the only thing I read. I pulled it out, there was the can right here. I went to tap it off my shovel. My shovel was sitting like right here in this divot. I moved it, and right on the surface was this dime. And it's a barber dime right on the surface, sunbaking. I hit it with some water already. It's an 1893 no mint mark barber dime. Absolutely great find. My first for the year, and what a way to start the day. We're actually at a small schoolhouse. It was here. We have a whole field to hit. So we're excited. Let's keep on going and see what else we can get. All right, I got number 2 on the finds, right next to the other one with the dime on the surface. I got myself a nice little lock. I don't think there's gonna be anything on this one, but if there is, I will come back. I'm gonna clean it up. Do the pants rub. I think it's just a plain brass lock, but still a neat find. Let's keep on going and hopefully find some more silver. See ya. All right, guys, so the picking slowed. Tyler got himself an Indian. He got a couple Wheaties. James got a couple Wheaties. Dave, did you get anything yet?
Yep, a lot of aluminum.
A lot of aluminum. There is a ton in here. A lot of little chopped up stuff. This was a solid 18, 19. It's a little like picker's tag, I guess. But it's a really tiny one compared to ones I've seen. So it looks like an A it's on there. It is a schoolhouse here, so it could have been, you know, their alphabet on little tags. Oh no, it has one. I think it's a cow tag, maybe. 1-1 there on the top, 1-1, and then an A. So not too bad. It's probably a cow tag, but still kind of cool. See, got a toasty Indian, guys.
Definitely seen some better days. It was only like 2 inches down.
Yeah. All right, backstory, guys. So James is from the Copper Poppers, and we've literally, I think we've hunted with him probably now 5 times. And this is probably the first time you're actually going to see anything from film-wise, because every time we go with him, we get skunked.
It's like a curse.
It's like a curse. So I'm like, this is nice. Today we're actually getting some stuff, so I'm going to film some stuff. Even his roached Indian. How'd you get a date on? Oh, that's the backside.
Tyler got one too. I think it was 1893.
1893 and an 18. Is that 1891?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there it is. 1891 Indian. Dude,
I'll take it, man.
that's it, man. Keep on going.
Let's get some mo.
That's it. See you guys. All right, he just got his Indian right here. I was walking away to go to my detector, and he decided to say he has a nice high tone. We're gonna do a little live dig.
A little bit bigger than I expected, but
it was still a nice.
Was an Indian right there.
Could be something good. Oh, that sounds big.
Nope. Yep. Can.
Aluminum. Slaw. It's the slaw. Well, we're gonna eat good.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
Bang it off and then see if you can find a dime right near it. See.
Right. That's how you metal detect.
That's it. You don't really have to dig. You just find the stuff that's on the surface.
That's right.
All right. Wow, James just did it. He got himself a nice little barber as well.
Oh, it's phenomenal.
Nice job.
Nice,
so we got 2 silvers out of here. Nice 2 old ones too. A 1906. No mint mark on that. Nice barber dime. Great job. What, you got another signal in there?
Yeah, I gotta swing over it again.
Yeah, maybe you got something else good. So we'll see. We'll
come
come back.
back.
All right, we did a live dig for for James. And what was your channel name again? What was it? Copper Poppers. Inside joke here. So,
Yeah.
but anyways, we're gonna do a live dig for Tyler now.
Right here.
He said it sounded really good. He's almost positive it's a coin of some sort or a can.
No, it's small sounding.
Really?
Yeah. Small sounding. A small can.
It's a small can, yeah.
Was it over here or over here? You better swing again. It might be over there.
Oh,
It's over here.
we got something.
Silver.
Oh, I got his silver too.
See, yeah, you
Nice.
said silver.
Literally just got James with his silver. We didn't even get more than 2 feet. Dude.
Let's see what it is.
I'm gonna pop it.
Mercuritis.
No, another Barbie.
19,
We got
12.
3 out of here. Let's see.
Almost dropped it.
You don't mind? Do you want me to rub it or no? Since you already started.
Spray, right?
I got.
Crap, you got better. Mine like
Oh yeah, here you go.
dribbles out.
Good. Give it a
I knew
squirt.
that
Let's
sounded
see.
great.
Oh,
He
that's a
said
good
live
looking one
dig,
too.
Live dig.
He called the live.
yeah.
Oh, it looks like you nicked it though. No, I'm kidding.
There
There is a little scratch
Yeah,
on
you
there.
might have.
1912. I don't know if we're gonna get a mint mark on that thing, but
Be an S mint.
That'd be cool.
Nice little San
Probably
Fran.
seated here, you would think.
I mean we're
Right
close.
over there.
No mint mark.
All right, I'll take that.
Very nice, guys. 3 Barber dimes already. Dude, that's sweet. Great job, dude. Great job. Great job.
Sweet.
Field.
Let's get
All the
some
way
more.
around. Oh, dude, good job.
Put your call up.
Look at that. What do we got here? He got something. Wow, it looks
Maybe like a
thick
2
though.
cent, yeah, or a token.
23.
Yeah, that's weird.
So Tyler got something cool. We don't know what it is. Oh, it might be a ring. Is it a ring? No. What is that?
Is that a nickel?
No. It looked read like.
Oh, it's a
it
war
is.
nickel.
A war nickel hitting
Oh.
a 23?
That was weird.
22, 23, dude.
Really?
That's 1241.
I mean, for the people.
It's reading 22, 23.
That's weird, dude. They put extra silver content in
Yeah.
that one.
It's a Philadelphia. Wow, it's a little chunky on the
Never
front.
had one ring that high. Like 16, 17.
Well, they go between the 52 to or 42 to 45. I don't know the date on this one yet. I can't see it.
That was strange.
So it's somewhere in between there, but it's a Philadelphia mint. Way to go. 2 silvers for the day.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Cool.
I don't know why it was ringing up so high. Maybe there's some more in there.
Ton of stuff.
Uh-oh. This is our last tone for the night. Well, and Tyler's got it. It's getting dark. It's late.
No, I said it sounded
Deep.
It doesn't sound very deep, which scares me a little bit. I wonder if it's a beer can.
If it is, you just chopped it in half. So
No, this is it right here.
what is it?
See,
Is it a horseshoe?
Ooh, it almost looks like hinge off or something, maybe.
Well, it's a nice high tone though. That would definitely be. Oh no, it's decorative too. There's some decorative on there.
So small.
Yeah, look, there's some like scroll work on it.
Oh, cool. If you want it, you can have it.
I want it. It's your stuff, man.
Yeah, we got something.
All right, it's a nice way to end the day.
Yes, sir.
James, what do you think?
I think James was at a
Oh, that's definitely James. He looks like a bush. What do you think? You done? Nice. He's the Wheatie King for today. He's gotten, I think, almost like 15 Wheaties. It's insane. I got 3 for the whole day. So, all right, guys, it was a pleasure. It was fun. Sun is setting. What a beautiful view. And we will see you guys on the next hunt.